Hey, I'm with my twin cousins. This is Emma, and this is Zoe, but you can't see Zoe right now. Actually, no, you can't see Emma. Oh, backwards.
What? Who are you?
This is Emma's head. Right here, all you can see is Emma's head. Emma, look up at the blue light. See the blue light up here?
Mm-hmm.
That's where the camera is, so you have to look at the blue light.
Can I go there to see that too?
Yeah, you can look at the blue light. It's open for all eyes. They're my 4-year-old twin cousins, and they're staying over tonight, and I'm pretty excited.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the camera, sweetie.
Why?
Because I'm making a video for YouTube. Can you say hi, YouTube?
Hi. Hi.
Yeah, they're my little second cousins.
Why are you talking to the camera?
Why am I talking to the camera? Because that way people can hear me when they watch this video. So
I'm on this side.
you're right there. See? You're actually right there.
No, that's my sister.
That's your sister. No. This is Emma.
Oh.
And this is Zoe. Okay?
So that I'm Emma.
Yeah, I know.
Mine is the red.
That's the volume.
No, why is the red on?
Oh, right here? Because that's if I want to stop the video and end it.
Why don't you just stop the video?
You want me to stop the video now?
Mhm.
So you guys can go play with the dolls and mermaids? Okay. Well, I'll let you guys go play.
No, I'm going to stay here.
You're going to stay here?
I'm going to stay here too.
Okay. 2 minutes long, this video.
Okay. Is it going to take pictures of us?
It's a video, so it's just like one big long picture. What have you guys been doing today?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
Nope.
Well, we've been playing for a little while. Oh, they're gonna trade? Are you guys gonna trade?
Yeah.
There we go. You can have the purple one then, and she'll have the blue one. They're little sleeping bags for American Girl dolls. They've been playing. Pretty fun.
Okay. All done.
They find it fun. I don't blame them.
I know what the one.
You have to look up here. What do you?
Why do I have to look up here?
Because that's where the camera is. This just shows you what it looks like, but that's where the camera is.
Mima, how are you around? Hi. Hi.
You gotta look up here, at the blue light. That's where the camera is.
I don't want to be a mermaid.
You like being a human? Me too.
I like being a mermaid.
You do? Okay. Sounds kind of fun.
Yeah, we need a human and a mermaid.
You can be both? Was Ariel both?
No, we only have one Ariel.
There's only one Ariel? Yeah.
And a fish.
And a fish. The fish is like a mermaid, but it's not at all human.
What is a human?
What is a human? You and me.
You two are you human?
Yes. She's a mermaid. She doesn't count as a human.
You're the mermaid. I'm the mermaid.
She's the mermaid.
Yeah.
Here.
Why is Emma the mermaid?
I don't know.
I don't know. Click that so you can stop the video.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.